Welcome to a testimonial from some students from the Rosemount Technology Centre. With us today is Melissa Urso, who is an academic and vocational information counselor at RTC, and graduate Kyra Nicholas, a graduate from printing, and a student right now in Electromechanics, Tashias Kotsia. Welcome all of you. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Great. So Melissa, first, if you could just begin and give an overview of what is Rosemount Technology Centre and what programs do you offer?
Okay, so Rosemount Technology Centre is a English technical career training center in Montreal. We are a modern facility with up-to-date technological equipment and student services here. We have hands-on training in various different fields. We have 8 different vocational training programs here, which lead to a diploma of vocational studies, which is recognized by the Ministry of Education and leads to different job opportunities in the various fields. We have different programs. So the first would be automated systems in electromechanics. So this is a very in-demand program right now in the industry, where students learn how to operate and maintain large-scale machinery, the mechanical, hydraulic, pneumatic, and electrical parts of the machines. So that's one of our programs. The next is cabinet making and furniture finishing. So two other hands-on programs that we offer here, learning how to make cabinets and furniture and finish the furniture. So those are 2 separate programs, but often students choose to do them one after another because they're very closely related. We have another program called computer aided design. So students learn the skills that are required to produce drawings, technical drawings, using different programs, namely AutoCAD, SolidWorks, and Autodesk Inventor. Another program we offer is a computer graphics program. It is a program where students will essentially become graphic designers. They learn how to use Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, all the programs they need to learn those skills. Another related program is the digital graphics technology program, or printing, where students will also learn how to use computer-based programs, but they also learn how to use offset and digital presses to print out documents or banners, posters. There's so much of a variety of things you can do with that program as well. Moving on, we have machining techniques. Students acquire the skills they need to manufacture parts out of metal, and they also produce they read technical drawings and then produce the pieces based on that. Finally, we also have an attestation program. So this is a specialization that students are allowed to do after having completed machining techniques, which is called numerical control machine tool operator, or CNC. So here they use computerized machines to produce pieces as well. So these programs are all offered full-time. They range from 6 months to a year and a half. So the attestation program is about 800 hours, and we go all the way up to 1,800 hours for the majority of our programs. So students attend our center full-time to learn basically whichever they like. So I guess that's pretty much it.
So you're at three campuses basically, or actually 4 almost.
Well, our main campus is located on Beaubien. Here we offer pretty much all the programs, and we have secondary campuses which are on Galileo, at the Galileo campus, which is on PNEF, so in another part of Montreal. We also have another cabinet making group that's in another center, but the majority of our program is run here at the main campus.
Okay, great. So let's talk to the students. First, the graduate, Kyra Nicholas. Kyra, you were in printing. Why did you choose to go in printing, and what benefits did you get out of it?
I chose to go
into the printing program because I was actually a couple years out of high school. I had already even graduated from CEGEP. So I was just looking to, again, find something that would allow me to both be creative, but also explore more independent routes and just kind of choose my own destiny in a sense. So I heard about the program through a presentation that was offered in my community. So after attending the presentation, I really got to see that there was a lot of creative freedom that was offered in the program. So from there, it was just more a matter of convincing myself that I was able to do the daily 2-hour commute to RTC and work through it and, you know, develop relationships with the teachers and the other students and really get to see that the program offered so much more than what I thought was available. And it really also opened up doors to seeing that you could take what you learned in that program and choose exactly what it is that you like benefited from, and the things that really sparked interest in you are the things that you can actually explore in a more professional outlet as the years go on. So that was probably the most like important thing to me, and something that I didn't realize was actually going to come to benefit me later on.
Terrific. Tashius, you came to Canada a number of years ago from South Africa. How did you end up at Rosemount Technology Centre and the particular field that you're studying?
I was actually working in industry. I'm a certified industrial millwright, and I found that the electrical part has integrated with the mechanical part so much that you have to be multi-skilled. And after doing a bit of a search, and I think it was at a career day, I found RTC, and I spoke to somebody, and I did a bit of a internet search, and I found the program Electromechanics, and it is the perfect program that doesn't take 4 years to graduate, to actually get a qualification to go back into industry. And you do both electrical modules and both mechanical modules, and at the end, as I mentioned, they integrate into each other. So once you're qualified, you can work both on electrical and mechanical systems. And for me, that is just the perfect program. It's only 18 months. I can study, get my qualification, and go back to industry without wasting too much time.
So are you confident and looking forward to new opportunities when you do finish your studies there?
Oh, definitely. As Melissa said, that the job market at the moment is in high, electromechanics is in high demand, and even during the pandemic, there is still a big demand for electromechanics. Hopefully we can get past the pandemic, and once things return to normal, I think it's going to be, it looks good.
Kyra, with your studies in printing, what do you hope down the line that you might do based on the education you received from Rosemount Technology Centre?
I guess like the exciting part about learning both the hands-on things that you learned at RTC in the printing program and the digital technology is that it also kind of encompasses two worlds where you have these physical machines that you can work on if that is your field, but then you also have the option of learning digitally, and that's something that I was able to take with me and I'll take forever with me. And what's cool about it also is with the internet and with time, our technology is only getting better, creative outlets and accessibility for people. So it kind of is more exciting, if anything, because years will go on and I'll still look back on what I've learned at RTC and know that the teachers there are going to be implementing modern technology, modern machinery, and using that to their advantage with the students that they'll be continuously taking in.
Well, listen, thanks for your time. We will give the website address for Rosemount Technology Centre in the body of the description of this video so people could learn a lot more. And thanks for joining us, and good luck to everybody.
Thank you.